Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and today we're going to be taking a look at the HP Spectre x360, which is the 2018 variant of the laptop, and it is priced upwards of 1,60,000 rupees. Now, if you're going to be buying this laptop, you will definitely want to check out our review. As far as the looks are concerned, we internally are a little polarized. Hardik, who's reviewed the laptop, actually loves it, but some of us think the black and gold is a little jazzy. However, you can let us know what you think in the comment section below, but before that, here's our review. Starting things off with the build and design, the Spectre x360 looks quite different from the other homogeneous looking machines. The copper and matte blackish look of the Spectre is unlike any laptop you may find in the market. Looks aside, the all-aluminum shell is quite robust and does not have any flexing in the body itself. The laptop looks really elegant thanks to the intelligent engineering and design. The 13-inch Full HD display of the laptop is vibrant and has good viewing angles. The HP SureView technology, which allows the user to hide the display content from prying eyes with a push of a button, is also present here. But there are a few shortcomings, like the brightness of the laptop could have been better and it's quite reflective. As for the touchscreen itself, it is pretty accurate for taking notes via the bundled pen and equally intuitive while using the finger to tap on something on the display. As far as I/O is concerned, on the left you have a single USB Type-A port, the mic headphone combo jack and a micro SD card slot. On the right you have two USB 3.1 Type-C ports. Now, before you lose your head over having to buy dongles, HP takes care of that as well. There are almost all kinds of dongles bundled in this, even a multi-port one. The keyboard is excellent to type on. The pitch is right, the keys feel precise and press down with an audible, satisfying sound. The only annoying bit is the smaller up and down arrow keys and the delete key at the far right of the keyboard. The glass touchpad is precise and provides good control over the cursor while dragging and dropping. The tracking is quite accurate and the Synaptic driver seems to be working just fine. On the security side, HP has added a fingerprint scanner on the right side of the laptop. It also has the Windows Hello enabled camera. One of the biggest updates to the Spectre x360 this year is the new Intel chip. Powered by the Intel Core i7-8550U, the Spectre is right up there in the performance benchmarks. The quad-core processor gives a considerable 30% performance boost over its predecessor, and that's a lot. Combine this with 16GB DDR4 RAM and you have a machine which can easily run more than 24 Chrome tabs, stream music, copy data and run Word all at the same time. To take care of the thermals, the laptop has two air vents at the back which do a commendable job at keeping the heat in check. And finally, HP completes the package with an admirable battery life of 8 to 9 hours in normal day-to-day usage. The laptop went on for almost 4 hours in our PC Mark 8 battery test, which puts it at par with most thin and light machines these days. So if you are looking for the creme de la creme when it comes to thin and light laptops and price is no bar and Windows is your choice of operating system, then you can definitely consider this machine. The heating has been changed, so the vents are at the back this time around, which is a really nice change. The keyboard is nice, the display is good, even though it is a little too reflective for our liking. But overall, the performance of this machine is a beast. So yes, if you are in the market for a premium laptop and you like the black and gold that this laptop brings with it, you can definitely consider it. And you can also let us know what you thought of this review in the comment section below. If you liked it, you can share it and let us know any other laptops that you would like us to review. We will catch you in another video. It's goodbye for now.